तासीर अलमास सलाई मुकवी खास वैर दरखासुल खास हर्बल शादी कोर्स प्लस अलमास सलाई कोर्स plus Tila Mutawal Jore Kasturi Almas. Assalamu alaikum viewers, hope you are doing well. Today I will explain about the disease male weakness, its causes, its symptoms and way of treatment that Taseer Dawakhana is offering for cure this disease, which name is Taseer Almas Salai Mukawi Khas Vyar Darkhasul Khas Herbal Shadi course plus Almas Salai course plus Tila Mutawal Jore Kasturi Almas. Viewers, sexual dysfunction is any physical or psychological problem that prevents from you or your partner from getting sexual satisfaction. Male sexual dysfunction is a common health problem affecting men of all ages, but is more common with increasing age. Treatment can often help men suffering from sexual dysfunction. Viewers, here I am going to tell you about the male weakness causes. What causes a male weakness? Many causes have been identified as contributing to the diminution of sexual desire. They include depression, fatigue, hyperactive sexual disorder, recreational drugs, relationship problem or other sexual dysfunction, fear of humiliation, sexual aberration, disorder, systematic illness, testosterone deficiency, stress, lack of time, history of sexual abuse, hormonal problems such as hyperthyroidism. Viewers, now I will tell you about the low sex drive. Low sex drive is a term used to describe a lack of interest in sex. Sexual desire or sex drive happens because of the combination of biological, personal and relationship factors. Sexual desire is different from each person and can change over the time depending on what's happening in a person's life. Some aren't concerned about having low sex drive. However, if you lose interest in sex for no apparent reason and it worries you, talking to a doctor can have helpful. Viewers, this course Taseer Almas Salai Mukawi Khas Vyar Darkhasul Khas Herbal Shadi course plus Tila Mutawal Jore Kasturi Almas eliminates premature ejaculation, masturbation side effects, spermatoria, nightfall and all other male weaknesses. Viewers, here we will discuss about the premature ejaculation, masturbation, nightfall and pornography. Premature ejaculation is a condition where men cannot control when they ejaculate before the desired point. If in some cases sex or foreplay will last literally for a few seconds, it can cause much frustration and stress, even a breakdown in a relationship. Masturbation is when you got sexual pleasure from the touching your genitals using with your hands. You can masturbate yourself or a partner. Masturbation usually leads to an orgasm. Generally, men and boys masturbate by rubbing or moving their hand up and down their erect penis. Women and girls may use their fingers or to rub their area around the clitoris or vagina. Viewers, what is nightfall? When a boy reaches adolescence, many changes take place in the body. One of the main changes is the growth of sex organs and hormone changes in the body. As a result, hormone change in the body of a young boy starts from masturbate and has dream of sex. Due to the dreams and masturbation, he can suffer from involuntary ejaculation. This condition is called nightfall. Pornography, sexual absence in books, magazine, pornography media, characterized by disorders images of sexual pleasure. Viewers, as you know, remember that in men the length of the penis varies, which is natural, but when men are immoral, then he is involved in such commits like masturbation, homosexual, watching porn and porn images, porn magazines. Due to these habits, the size of the penis also changes, like penis problems, infection in penis, loose penis, thin penis, bumpy penis, curvature penis, small penis, muscular fracture in penis, weak from the roots, ring in the middle of penis and paralyzed penis. Viewers, now I will tell you about this treatment. Taseer Dawakhana has been established in 1946 and you can recover from all disease by using Taseer Almas Salai Mukawi Khas Vyar Darkhasul Khas Herbal Shadi course plus Almas Salai course plus Tila Mutawal Jore Kasturi Almas by Taseer Dawakhana, which is made with precious herbs and free from any side effect. Dr. and Scientist of our institute, Taseer Dawakhana, worked under the supervision of Hakima Dr. Tariq Mahmood Taseer, qualified doctors, lady doctors, pharmacists and Hakim for prolonged research. Taseer Almas Salai Mukawi Khas Vyar Darkhasul Khas Herbal Shadi course plus Tila Mutawal. This all have natural supplements that has been satisfying men worldwide for several years. If you are a man who is interested in taking positive steps forward, improved sexual satisfaction for you and your partner, then please take the time to read this website. The focus of Hubbe Almas, as you can see that there are many factors that come to play for the erection to be successful. Any type of damage, failure in the critical area that can lead to weak erection and poor performance during your intimate situations. A power of nutritional goodness. It is rich in vitamins, minerals, whole food antioxidants and anti-aging nutrients. It helps maintain a healthy immune, cardiovascular digestive system while infusing new natural nutritional energy into the body. It also helps increase in the bodily abilities to combat stress, illness and fatigue, help improve your whole body circulation, maintaining long-lasting erection, overall liver health and proper functioning, increase vitality of the heart, muscle and arteries, increase prostate health, metabolic stimulation, etc. It combines powerful nourishing, energizing herbs to promote health, longevity and happiness. This is a 100% safe herbal formula and with no side effect has been reported yet. What may be the cause of disabilities? Our Hakim are fully capable to treat such patients up to desired level. To proof of this claim, is based upon the long list of such patients who understand themselves as useless people were afraid from the name of marriage. We treated them successfully, also promote mental alternates and helps in removing body weakness and enhance energy, immunity and stamina. It aims at maintaining youthfulness, vigor and vitality of the body. It also provides vitality and vigor to the body and freshness to the mind. It affects control nightly emission. It also corrects the digestive system, thus promoting production of the fresh blood and resulting in the enhancing sexual energy. Now we will discuss about the precautions. After researching various natural herbs in the light of essence of the ancient and modern medical research and its long medical observation, discovered the safe and effective method for effective Tasir al-Mas Salai Mukabiya Khas Verdar Khasul Khas Herbal Shadi course plus Al-Mas Salai course plus Sila Mutawal Johre Kasturi al-Mas, which is complete cure for restoration of mental and physical strength. Rely on natural remedies because that's the only one cure which does not have any side effect. Avoid hot items and drug although altogether light exercise and walking are helpful. Avoid pornography ideas, pornographical literature. Avoid all spices and cold drinks. Use fresh fruit, honey, dates, fish, pumpkin, carrot, buttermilk, oil, yogurt. So if your young person has male weakness problem, then you can come to the Tasir Dawakhane and use Tasir al-Mas Salai Mukabiya Khas Verdar Khasul Khas Herbal Shadi course plus Al-Mas Salai course plus Silla Mutawal Johre Kasturi al-Mas, which will cure all infertility disease and male weakness problems. I hope this video was informative for you and helpful for you. If you like this video, kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. I will see you again in my next video in which we discuss new disease topics and its treatment. So viewers, it's time to say goodbye. Have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.